You are not a VA, so you got to start with a much smaller radius. I get asked this question all the time. Why can't I just promote my bookkeeping practice as a fully remote service? VAs do it. Why can't I? I get it. People these days, we don't seem to want to be around each other very much. So the idea of working from anywhere in your comfies on your own schedule, that's appealing. And that's not off the table. Stick with me for a minute here. Bookkeeping isn't like being a VA. It's not task-based admin support. It's trust-based financial partnership. You're asking people to open the books on their business, their money, their mistakes, their everything. And that's different. And trust is a very different beast to build, especially from behind a screen. Here's the fact of the matter, like it or not. If you're trying to launch a practice from scratch, absorb this. It's not about chasing leads. It's about planting seeds that grow into relationships that will give you testimonials and referrals. That's how you build something sustainable based on trust. Other programs might promise leads, but Mavens don't chase leads. We accept referrals with grace, dedication, and a keen devotion to delivering on promises and exceeding expectations. So here, we're shooting for the stars, which is referrals. And we mean the kind that actually convert every time because they come from someone who already knows, likes, and trusts you. Let me be crystal clear on something. Yes, you can work remotely. Every day, you can perform every bookkeeping task from the comfort of your home office. So don't let that sidetrack your dream of a work from home life. But relationship building, you need to build those in person, at least until you have steady testimonials and referrals. Trust is accelerated when people can look you in the eye, hear your voice, shake your hand, and when they trust you, they will refer you. This is why at Maven, we focus on systems, structure, and strategy. You're not just building a freelance gig here, you're building a business. And that business starts with you showing up locally to network, nurture relationships, and collect testimonials that will become your street cred. Because credibility doesn't come from a certification, it comes from delivering results, and the referrals will follow. If this concept resonated with you, drop a house icon in the comments below, signifying that you understand the benefits of building your initial bookkeeping business close to home. And as always, if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got another episode. Speaking of VAs, should you hire one? When? Find out in our next episode how to hire a VA without losing your mind or your money. That's important stuff there, so let's check it out.